I'm aboard a Nordhavn 47, Old Port Cove, North Palm Beach, Florida. Wanted to show you something about the AIS. Looking at the bridge, we're in the downstairs or the lower helm. You can look over here to the left. We've got the radars, radio, autopilot, extra radio, single sideband radio. Come to the right, you can see the anchor windlass control. And then our Furuno, or port side chart plotter and radar. And then here is our North Star chart plotter and radar. And then coming over here to the far right, we have the Nobletech chart plotter system. And what I want to show you here are a few different things. You can see the tracks of other boats, actually the track of this boat during sea trial. And then you can see the two different marinas, the lower, middle, and then the upper left. Those are North Old Port Cove and South Old Port Cove. And the thing that I want to show you most important are all of these AIS signals that all of these boats tied to the dock are sending out. In my opinion, they should do something about turning these off because they're just crowding up the dock space. Not that we need to know where we're going in the dock, we can see with our own eyes. But if you're cruising somewhere in Charleston Harbor, New York Harbor, or anything that's a very busy maritime port, commercial port, and you will have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 AIS signals going out, it gets crowded, it gets busy, and sometimes it will actually mask or hide the navigation information you need to properly and safely navigate your boat. So if you're looking at AIS systems to put on board your boat, think hard and think about how you can turn it on or off easily instead of having to go into a program. If you have any questions about boating, remember, ask Captain Chris.
Good afternoon. We're